Alright, we're sitting at a stoplight now. I'm going to drop it into first. We'll merge back onto the interstate. Here we go. Second, third. Drop it back into drive. 65 miles per hour. MDS just kicked in, so now we get that low burble. That's it. No resonance, no vibrating, no obnoxious drone that's going to drive you crazy for hours on end while cruising down the road. Accelerate a little bit. There you go, 75 miles per hour, turn at about 2200 RPM. MDS just kicked back in. That's as loud as it gets. Regular highway driving.